In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a mass email on Wix 2026 guide. First, head into your Wix dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, open Marketing and SEO, then select Email Marketing. This is your home base for building, testing, and sending your campaign, so it's worth taking a second to get comfortable with the layout. Next, choose how you want to start. You can pick from ready-made templates like promotions, let the AI build a draft for you, or open a completely blank canvas if you prefer full creative control. If you want speed and a solid starting point, the AI email builder is great. If you like tweaking every detail yourself, choose the classic email builder. Either way, you're in good hands. Now, design your email. In the drag and drop editor, you can add dividers to create visual breathing room between sections. Customize their style, color, and even choose whether they appear on desktop, mobile, or both. Add text blocks for your headline and body copy, and adjust the font size and formatting to match your brand voice. Keep paragraphs short and scannable, and make your call to action clear. Bring your message to life with images, buttons that link to key pages, product listings, your logo, or columns for a clean layout. If you have something more advanced to embed, you can insert custom HTML code. As you build, think about mobile users. Make sure buttons are large enough and text is easy to read. Before sending anything, review and test. Click Preview and Test to see exactly how your email looks on different devices. Then send a test email to yourself. Open it on both desktop and phone. Check that links work, images load quickly, and nothing looks cramped or broken. This quick check can save you from avoidable mistakes. When your design is set, click. Next, to choose your recipients, you can target subscribers only if you want to email only those who opted into marketing. Send to all contacts. If your list is fully permission based, focus on target groups. Using segments or labels for better relevance, or add individual contacts one by one. Segmentation often improves engagement, so pick the option that best matches your goal. Finally, review your recipient count and double-check your subject line for clarity and impact. When everything looks right, click Send Now to distribute your mass email to the selected contacts. That's it. You've created, tested, targeted, and sent a professional mass email in Wix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.